Hello?
Start the video.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy just said, this like random zero and said, that car is damn impressive.
Where's my car?
Wait, do you want me to drive you to your house?
My car's here.
Guys, just start the video.
Alright.
Follow me, guys.
This
Actually,
is a
not yet.
random car off the street.
Parkinson's parking lot.
Hi. I've got that car. In blue.
At the end
That
of it.
Maserati. I've got that. When I come in it, we could have been the Maserati.
This is a random car off the street.
Oh yeah. Yes, wait. Let's go with it.
Portable.
Ow, ow.
What just happened here? Where's my vehicle?
Oh, quick, go, go, go.
Just wait for
Oh yeah.
I just found this off the street. I think it's like so slow.
Got insurance.
Yeah, I just bought insurance and everything.
Wow. Correct the camera. Oh yeah, lost the Burger King. Burger King.
What are we doing?
Parkour. We're packing up. We're having a Burger King. Yes,
That's
Burger
it.
King.
What's it?
selfie, guys.
Look at that burger.
Guys, come here.
Oh.
99p.
We'll get a selfie.
Alright, let's get a selfie then. Wait, can I take a selfie? Wait.
Well, first, let me take a selfie.
Oh yeah, why don't we all take a selfie?
Guys,
together?
all get in the picture, guys.
Everyone get a picture.
We're all just taking selfies.
Burger King.
Guys, get in the selfie.
It looks like we're all on Facebook.
I just took you a selfie of me and a coal muncher.
Get on it.
So much junk again. Oh, I want you to it. Oh, finally. Please. Wait.
Wait, Douglas. Come on, follow me.
And loot. So loot together. Yay.
Sorry, stop me.
Don't leave me.
You catch up in that.
Yeah,
How do people get that much money?
Did you blow the mission? This is like my best car. Oh the rest of the spot.
My friend has the adder and then turn on stuff.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we're doing drug
I'll
race.
be fast with both of you in my party.
No, we're doing cars.
Just the motorbike.
Oh no! I used to have the battery but I sold it because I didn't use it.
I just see loads of stuff now. I only had the battery. This is my first car.
You guys, don't get your battery, whatever, because we're doing drag race.
Oh my, you went underneath me.
I know. Oh, can we choose the
Yeah, I
gta5?
went underneath. Ow.
Go with you.
Yeah?
Can we duplicate your car?
Duplicate, I don't know how to duplicate.
It's easy. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Guys, we're doing a
I'll send the
camera.
video.
Guys, first I'm missing the jet, I'm missing the Turismo, and then after that, and then Turismo.
Whoa.
Right. They want the Turismo versus me first, and then the Turismo versus the other car, that black car that you got, and then I versus that, and then I versus that black car. Hey, don't cost me money, please. Alright, like guys, round up. Right, me and Turismo, get here. Turismo,
We're racing team.
get on that lane. Get on that lane. We wait till this guy starts us off.
We're racing to the end of the runway.
Get out the plane.
Can we use this? Sorry. Ow.
When you just start us off, please.
Here I am. I got caught something else though.
Right, I start us off. In
3,
2, 1, go!
Go! Are you racing?
Yeah, we're racing to the end of the runway.
Oh, I'm gonna lose. Can I use the battery?
Here for drag race.
I will you.
I got caught something. Sorry to see the helicopter.
Alright, Turismo 1. Now this black car, please get the black car and race me, please. And then black car versus Turismo.
I'm racing. You're racing.
I'm not.
You are.
It's a black car.
It's black. Yeah, it's racing.
A black car's not a race. Trust me.
I'm gonna beat you. You do know. I'll join.
I got caught something as well.
Alright guys, come on black car.
Yeah. That's the vinyl.
I'll call you a black car because I don't know what the hell a black car is. Right, black car versus me. No Turismo, get the way. Turismo?
Oh, just you two.
Yeah. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi guys. Right, I'm not racing, I'm just following you. Green guy is actually okay, no, green guy.
Oh!
Sorry, I'm sorry, I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
You guys, I still went past him, so I won.
Yeah, you won.
Right, we need Turismo and that black car now.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah. And I'm going to end the video here soon, okay? Just guys, just a bit quick. Look how fast my bike car is.
Go.
Can I use the battery?
No, you can. You have to use car. It's called Carney. It's not motorbike meet. We're gonna do a bike. Do you want to do a motorbike meet up in a bit, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing
Okay,
motorbike meet
well,
up.
There's a problem with that.
Black.
That I was not right.
Sorry.
Come on, straight.
Free.
Wait, no, I need to get behind.
Guys, I'm not listening.
Go.
And
See
you
ya.
get me.
Just to split you up, guys.
I'll go easy on you. I'll go easy on you. And you go down here. Oh, you know that. You know that. I mean, you can't run. Oh, good man. I just said you can't run.
You're gonna beat me anyway.
Am I?
Yeah.
But guys, I gotta do only one version. We're gonna end the video here.
Okay.
What, you gonna watch video?
But I'm doing only one race, and then and then I end the video after doing only one race.
Yeah, and I've won them all.
Yeah, you got a more expensive car.
It doesn't matter how expensive it is, it just matters about speed.
Yeah.
And
Well, expensive cars cost a lot.
phone quality and you know, mine was 80 grand. And it's fun and good quality and fun to drive and all that.
Sorry.
Right guys, the source car goes in the middle. That's the black car. Or green car.
Wait, I'll
Wait,
go back.
Trisma guy, come here. We're racing together. We're all racing.
Yeah.
Right. In 3, 2, 1, go!
And I've lost.
Whoa, no ramming.
Okay.
Right,
Sorry.
start again guys, come on. Draw, that's a draw. Right.
That was my fault.
Are you ending the video?
Not yet, we do this drag race. The all-in-one drag race, because the Turismo guy just ran me off. But guys, it doesn't matter, we need to start over again. Or should we start?
It's gonna win anyway.
Yeah, but Turismo versus thingy, this like looking at Aston Martin thing.
Yeah. I'll go further back.
Same. But we all have to go to the same one. Yeah, guys, no, come here, Turismo guy. Line up with us. In 3, 2, 1, go! Engine power!
I like how I might go last.
I like how I'm first in every race.
It's actually close. That was actually close to me. The your green car, whatever I changed it to. Right, Trisma won. I won second, and Peter third. The green car. Thanks for watching, and we're doing a motorbike meetup next.